Bonjour! In this video, I will walk you through the steps you need to take in order to complete your assignments each week. The first step will be to log in on vhlcentral.com. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to this page. Do not begin your assignments by clicking on Start. Once you are logged in, then you're going to go back to Blackboard and log into Blackboard. You will see the main page of French 101, of the French 101 class. And from there, you're going to click on the unit that we are studying that week. For example, Unit 1A, Les Salutations. Once you click on that, you will be directed to this page. On the left, you have a menu, and on the right, you have the page numbers. I recommend that you go by page. So begin with page 1. Once you've completed all the activities on page 1, then click here next, and you will be directed to pages 2, 3, and 4. If you prefer, you can also go step by step, but this way you can follow the structure better. When you are on this page, you will go from top to bottom, left to right. So we will begin from going from here to here, reading the pages in your book, listening to the pronunciation, and practicing listening and pronunciation. And here you will click on this link to complete your assignments on the VHL Central page. You will complete assignments that have a due date. That will be your homework assignment. Those will be your homework assignments. Once you're done with page 1, you will go back to Blackboard and go to page 2. So here you see I'm on page 2. On page 2, you will see structures. The best way to do this is, again, to begin with your book, but it is very important to watch the video tutorial. Watch the video tutorial related to that topic. So here it's noun and articles. Then complete assignments as we did before. Then you will be directed to page 3, which is culture, and follow the same exact steps. Finally, you would get to page 4, and here you have your assessment activities. You have a quiz and also a writing assignment or a voice recording depending on the week. Make sure to complete these by Friday of that week, whereas your homework assignments will be due every Monday. So notice here Monday, January 26th, and your assessment activities will be due on the Friday, January 30th. So make sure to complete the assignments by the assigned due date. And this is how each unit will be structured. Once you understand the first unit, it will be easy for you to complete activities for the following units. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to contact me.